dudes, I'm Vinayal Rajkumar. Today I'm going to teach you something which is magic using a crayon. So now just close your eyes and imagine a great scenery that I'm going to say you. A huge tree with a large trunk and it has white blossoms in it. You were sitting in a swing hung with that huge tree and you're under the sky of twinkling stars and a shining moon is showering its blessings in you. So now you notice the heaven's messenger, a cute little butterfly, and you're whispering to it some personals and you're saying, "You are my best companion ever." So now, friends, just open your eyes and come out of your imagination. I hope you had a great time in that imagination. So now just look at this picture. I hope this picture takes you to the imaginative world. And now here I'm going to teach you how to draw this scenery. So good time has come to start the sweet session. So before going to the session, learn one thing. Happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase, the more it will elude you. But if you turn your noticeness or your attention towards something else, it will just come and sit on your shoulders. So now let's start our sweet session, and the material required for this coloring is. So first you need an oil pastel, and the second thing is a pencil. The third one you need is some cotton, and the fourth one is a paint palette, but you need the main color is white, and the fifth one is the A4 sheet. So you can have 2 to 3 A4 sheets. And now let's begin the session. So first let me tell you the 4 colors that we are going to use and the reason behind usage in the picture I have shown you. So the first color is white. White stands for peace, purity, heaven and light. And the second color is sky blue. Sky blue stands for imagination. The third color is a dark blue or Prussian blue. This symbolizes our nature of kindness and the most important thing of all, intelligence. And the last color we are going to use is black. Black stands for fear, power and sadness. So now let's begin our drawing today. So first we need a huge circular vessel. So I have taken this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep it like this and draw a perfect circle now. So make sure that this is at the center, and now draw a huge circle. So here I have drew a circle now, and now what we have to do is we have to take white first and choose the middle part, and you should draw here. Color white at the center first. So make sure that there is a small circle inside white. So make sure you should use only oil pastels, because the best color is oil pastel, so it merges very easy and we would easily get the scenery as compared to other colors. So here first I have colored white. So the next color I'm going to do is take the sky blue and just color a circle layer just above the color white. So make sure it should be the gap should be just this much between after the white color you have colored. So just draw a small circle first and then you can start to color. So here friends, I have drew and now I'm going to color it. See here friends, you should get something like this, and the next color you are going to choose is a Prussian blue or a dark blue. So I'm going to now take another layer and just surround it. So make sure that the color for the black, that is the next color, should just be a small bit of gap. So you should draw the next layer so big so that you should cover almost all the spaces except that of the black. So see, I'm going to draw it like this now. So now color the, so see here friends, now I have colored 3 layers and it is the last layer to color. That is, we are now choosing our color black. And now color the outer. So the main thing we have to follow while using oil pastel is like we would get some colors on our fingertip. Make sure that we don't apply them on the edges of the other side, so our drawing would be spoiled fully. So now I'm going to color the black on the other sides now. So this is the risky color ever, because black it would be like it would have more color that as compared to the other, so it will have more effects as compared to the other things. So make sure that you color black with more care. So friends, now you will get 4 layers like this. So now what you have to do is take the first color white and now merge it at the center point with sky blue color. So here I am merging it. So when you are merging it, you will get blue color. You will get like a pale blue color. So it will be well merged. Like when you see the drawing, it will be so beautiful. So merge it well. So you should not have any scopes. So see here, this color gets merged with this color. So the next you should take blue color and merge it with dark blue. So when you merge it, you will get a new color, friends. So that's the color which we want. So do this with extreme care. So make sure that the color should not mix with the other color too. So see, we have merged this, and the next color you have to take the dark blue and merge it with black. So friends, after merging, you'll find some parts which is lacking. So what you have to do is, you have to take a small piece of cotton like this, and now you have to take a small end and you have to do like this, like in the center of both the colors, so that you'll get a perfect shape and it looks really good. So do like this for all the colors and all the merging things. So make sure that your nail should not you should not have any sharp things in your hand at this time, because it will again give a large plain paper there. You have to do this with care, friends. So see, so after doing this, we have to move to the third one. Smudge like this itself, so I'll get a perfect thing. So see here, friends, now we have got a perfect look of this. So what we have to do is, now you have to take your scissors and you have to cut this in a circle shape. So see here, friends, this is what we want now. Now place them safely in a pad and now have them like this. Now just take a pencil, and if you want you can take a waste sheet. So now what, I'm just going to teach you a simple drawing how to draw. So friends, you have to draw like this on this sheet, and then you have to fill black color inside this. So friends, it should be like this down the image, and so here are the grasses. And now the second we are going to draw is a girl. Is first a tree. So here I'm going to draw a tree. Next you have to draw a tree like this in that, and now we have to fill black color inside these. So now see here, our tree is perfectly ready. The next thing to draw is a girl sitting in a swing. See here I have drawn the outline of a girl sitting in a swing, and this is what we are going to draw in that sheet. So now here I'm not going to use oil pastel, I'm going to use a pencil. First take over the flakes that are in our oil painting with care. So after doing this, now take a pencil, and now see I'm going to draw it with pencil and shade even with pencil, because this is a minute drawing and we have to do it with care. So we are not here going to use a broad oil pastel. All we need is a sharpened pencil. So now just see this, friends, see the girl sitting in a swing, and the next one is to draw a butterfly. So now see here I'm going to draw this butterfly on that picture. See here I have drew a butterfly, and next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a white paint. So friends, after taking white paint, what you have to do is mix it well with water, and first I'm going to paint it a small bit inside the wing of a butterfly. You should do it with extreme care, and you have to only use a small bit of water. So after doing that, I'm going to turn the brush like this, and I'm going to just dip it like this, and I'm going to keep dots on the branches as white, so that it seems to be like a white blossom. So you can also do with a glitter pen, or you can use some other things too. So here I am using a white pen, so it looks very attractive. So see here, cherry blossoms and white blossom trees are planted now. So you can just stick this in cardboard and you can make as a wall hanging, or you can just paste them in a A4 sheet and you can just have them for your reference too. Aim for the moon. So if you fall, I'm sure that you will always fall on the stars. So no matter where you are, you will be looking at the same moon that I am looking. Inside all of us, there is the greatest, most powerful and precious gift which God has given us, that is love and happiness. Share them with everything. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I'll come up with many videos like these and many new sceneries. So if you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel anyhow. And thank you once again. This is Inyal signing off. Bye.